Attract hummingbirds into your yard with these 5 flowering perennials. Hummingbirds are really attracted to tubular flowers like we see here on these absolutely stunning Penstemon. So you got different colors, different shapes and sizes. I have some with a bronze colored leaf as well. They're just such a nice thing to add to your yard. One of my favorite perennials to bring in the hummingbirds is Agastache, or appropriately named hummingbird mint. This is a beautiful long blooming perennial, great addition to any garden. Digitalis or Foxglove is a great way to add a bit of height and drama into your garden. Hummingbirds love them, and so do the bumblebees. So if you have a little bit of afternoon shade in your garden and you still want to bring the hummingbirds, try a hardy fuchsia. These guys are very popular, and I just love their dangling chandelier-like flowers. Look at all these little tubular flowers. This is Buddleia or butterfly bush, but you're gonna get 2 for 1 with this guy because the hummingbirds love it as well as the butterflies. Nice development on these dwarf varieties so they don't take up a ton of space in your garden, and just great impact with large flowers.